Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the playback speed of voice message in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp chat. Then select the voice message and open it. Then stop it. Here you can see the option of speed. You just have to press here. By pressing here, you can increase or decrease your speed of voice message in your WhatsApp. So, this is how to change the playback speed of voice message in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.